Hello and welcome to Olibr. Are you a web developer, specializing in high-functioning web applications using Python? If you are, then you've likely encountered two powerful Python web frameworks, Django and Flask. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Django and Flask, exploring what they are, their applications, and how they stack up against each other. What is Django? Django is a high-level Python web application framework, known for rapid development and clean design. It's widely used in various industries, offering great built-in features, community support, and a strong focus on security. What can you do with Django? Due to its simplicity, Django finds applications in finance for risk analysis, in CRM systems for B2B communication, in building booking engines or shopping platforms, and even in legal and real estate sectors. What is Flask? Flask is a web application framework written in Python. It is a micro-framework based on the WorkSug WSGI toolkit and the Jinja 2 template engine. What can you do with Flask? Flask is versatile, used for building microservices, quick prototypes, interactive dashboards, educational projects, small to medium-sized websites, and even web interfaces for machine learning models. What are the key features of Django? Django offers robust security, scalability, adaptability to heavy load projects, fast development, and maintainability through the dry principle. What are the key features of Flask? Flask, on the other hand, is lightweight, independent, supports unit testing, offers security through secure cookies, and has extension support for added functionality. Pros and cons of using Django. Django excels in being a full-stack framework that is highly scalable, cross-platform compatible, fast, well-documented, and SEO-friendly. However, it might not be the best choice for small projects, has a monolithic structure, and comes with a steep learning curve. Pros and cons of Flask. Flask is scalable, suitable for smaller projects, easy to integrate databases, allows full control access, and is adaptable with a small code base. However, it doesn't support multi-page applications, lacks built-in security features, doesn't provide an admin interface, and might be difficult to maintain. Django versus Flask comparison. Learning curve. Django, being a full-stack framework, requires expertise, but its extensive documentation aids learning. Flask, with its minimalist structure, is more user-friendly and suitable for beginners. Features. Django has many features and extensions, while Flask relies more on extensions. Django takes the lead here. Scalability. Django's component-based structure allows complete scalability, making it a winner for highly scalable web applications. Flask, too, is scalable, but Django has the edge. Authorization/authentication. Django has inbuilt systems, while Flask relies on cookies and external extensions. Django takes the lead in authorization and authentication. Admin. Django has a built-in admin panel, while Flask requires an extension. Django wins in the admin category. Performance and speed. Django is fast for quick outcomes, while Flask, being lightweight, is quick and resource efficient. Flask takes the lead in performance and speed. Security. Django comes with integrated security features, while Flask relies on external extensions. Django excels in security. Django, having been around longer, has stronger community support. Both frameworks, however, boast passionate and knowledgeable communities. Django versus Flask, which one is better? In conclusion, whether you choose Django or Flask depends on your project's specific requirements. Both frameworks have their strengths and are supported by vibrant communities of developers. Make your choice based on your development goals and preferences. For more enlightening reads, head over to our blog at olibr.com/blog. And hey, if you're on the hunt for exciting job opportunities, jump over to olibr.com and sign up. Unearth your potential, ignite your passion. Join our vibrant community across LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Threads. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. Until next time, keep innovating.